let's look at the mileage. I think it is almost 20,000 kilometers. It is 19,965 kilometers run. So bike is all right. I had a change of oil last 10 months back. I don't remember, it's about April, May, I think so. So 10 months, 8 months, that does not matter. What matters is how many thousands of kilometers you ran after the oil change. I think 5,000, nearing 4,000 kilometers I have already used. So I'm going to use a flush this time, engine flush. This is for a car. This is 300 ml. We need 200 ml for car, and for bikes it is about 50 ml you have to use for the engine flush. I have not done engine flush for this bike. It's been 20,000 kilometer run, and I'm going to use Motul this time. Last time I had used Bajaj 10,000 kilometer engine oil. They claim that 10,000 kilometer it can run, but I did not wait till 10,000. It varies, the rate varies from place to place. So to purchase from internet, probably you will get some other rate. And this is purely 100% synthetic oil. The grade is 20W50 MA2. It's especially for bikes beyond 100cc bikes. And the manufacturing date of this engine oil is 2016, as you see. So what else? It has got a reading, you know, it's a 1 liter can. You can see it is full. What else? These are all some languages. Motul is the make. Probably, yes. Let us see. Here is the drain plug. Here is the drain plug. We have to remove. But before removing, I am going to add the this thing, engine flush, so that I can clean the engine. Before changing, I am going to give you the idea, you know, what I am going to do. I am going to remove little bit of engine oil. I am not sure whether the engine oil is full or low. There is no way to check. I went the other side of the Pulsar. I could not even find out. Let me again try. We have gone to the other side now. This is the other side of the bike. I still can't find whether it is full, under the limit, over the limit. Nothing I could find. So what I did is what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this. I'll open the drain plug, drain nut, so that we lose some oil. Then we'll fill the cleaner, engine flush. There are some Honda engine oil and Motul engine oil cans, so that I can pick those used oil. I'm going to use 16 mm. 16 mm. Box, this thing, and L rod with an extension of 125 mm. So let's open. Let me fix the camera, guys. So that you will have a clear visibility of Oil change is a very simple activity. You can find n number of videos in the internet, and here is one of them, a live oil change. It's a very simple one. The nut is also not that much tight, so I put some cloth below so that it should not make the floor dirty. I have a small mug which can take the dirty oil out. I am going to drain little bit. It's really bad, guys. I'm just closing it again just because I had to flush this engine. I'm just closing and the washer is fallen here. It doesn't matter. I had to flush it, so you can see the oil is so thick. I don't know how this can go for 10,000 kilometers. It's hardly 4,000 to 5,000 kilometers. Last change was, I think, 16,000 kilometers, and it is 20, so 4,000 maximum kilometers. The oil condition is like this, and I don't know how Bajaj claims it can go for 10,000. Let me touch. Yeah, I feel that is still good. It is dark, but it has got the viscosity. I could feel that this can still go, but I will not wait till 10,000. I will not wait, so I'm changing it now. Here is the washer. I got it from there, so I will just clean the same washer and use it. Let it be here. We'll go the other side and use the engine flush. This engine flush. This is Power Max. The shopkeeper said that this is better than AdLube products. This costed me 760 rupees. He took 700 rupees from me, so 50 rupees, 60 rupees discount he has given. I'm not going to use this full 300 ml. I'll have to use little bit, about 50 to 60 ml. Then we'll start the engine. Then we'll again remove the bad oil. Let's go the other side. I'm going to use the nose plier to remove this. Sorry, this is a plier. Nose plier will be I should have used the plastic directly, should have used the nose plier directly, but I don't want to spoil the plastic. So this is the, I'm going to open this. This is direction this way. It's a nice one. I like this. It is easy way to remove and seal. Then you can open the There's a little bit of spillage, friends. I have opened it successfully, and let me get the funnel. I'm not going to use the entire 300 ml, but yes, I will fill about 50 ml here. I hope it is clear. I'm going to use the flash. You can clearly see engine flash. PowerMax is the company. I cannot say how much I have used, but approximately 50 ml, 50 ml to 100 ml. I'm just pouring here. This can is about 300. This is 300 ml, so I'm using. Let me close the cap. Also, I will close the engine flush cap. Nicely packed. So nice. So let's start the engine. Let us start the engine. Run for 10 minutes. In the normal idling, you should not raise it. It should run for 10 minutes. I'll come back. So let us stop now. It is almost 10 minutes. So let me pour the engine oil. I could see some kind of liquid spillage. I still don't know what it is, but I could see this is coming from the silencer. There is a hole. I think this hole is an intentional hole. There is a, you could see, and it seems like this is water coming out of this. I will definitely write something about this, why this hole is there in the silencer. It is an intentional hole, and there is a, I will talk something more about this or write down some comments. Let us go the other side and drain the old oil. Now time to drain the dirty oil after the engine flush. I'll do like this so that spillage will be less. This is a bigger funnel. I'm going to use this for the fresh engine oil. After wiping it out, wipe it off. Let's wipe it off and drain this. Let's drain. I don't need the L rod. I can able to open using this. I prefer to use a gloves, surgical gloves, but let me see how much oil it has burnt or it has eaten. It is definitely is not in that good condition, but yes, the oil quantity is reduced. Sorry guys, the oil quantity is reduced. It is not, I should have done a top up in between, which I have not done. And let me tilt the bike so that I get some more. This drain plug had all these metal contents. Naturally they are attracted here and they are deposited here, so I am just cleaning all this off. After adding 50 ml engine flush, the engine oil level is not even 200 to 300 ml. I will show you, it is there in the container. There is a marking of 200, 300, 400, 800 marking. So let me show you. So the engine oil was less. The same thing I had faced with my scooter Honda Aviator. I got only 200 ml when I did the engine flush and engine oil replacement. So friends, I request all of you to have an inspection time to time and top up the engine oil. I waited for 8 months to 10 months. You should not. All of us should check for the 5,000 kilometers or check the level from the other side. If you cannot see the level between those lines, then you need to top up the engine oil. Please remember, you have to use the same grade, probably use the same manufacturer. That means if you are using Motul oil, you have to top up with the Motul, same grade. If you have used 20W50, then you should top up with this 20W50 only. Don't mix these oils. The engine oil mixing is not healthy for your engine. And similarly, you should flush the engine frequently, because the carbon content will block many parts inside the engine. Pull 7100, that is 20W50 fully synthetic engine oil. And let me have experience of this Motul engine oil. So let me tilt. After 5-10 minutes, I still find drops of engine oil. Let me tilt so that it can give me some more dirty engine out. So it's time to wipe off. Let's wipe off that area. I had already cleaned this drain plug. I'm going to fix it there. I'm going to use the same technique. that much. Don't have to tight too much. Then we'll go the other side and fill the engine oil. Yes, it was hand tightened, so I'm removing by hand, and let me clear this out. I will just clean the face of it. Anyway, you cannot clean inside. That's why we are using the engine flush to clean. So whatever possible, you clear outside and then insert the funnel. This time I will not spill a lot of engine oil, because almost every time I lose some engine oil because of wrongly filling or hurriedly filling. I will do this time little bit patiently and slowly, so that I should not waste engine oil. 1 liter of Motul costed me 750, I believe. The price written is, this is the Motul. Synthetic 1 liter can. The whole 1 liter I am going to fill. These are all the readings. So it should be nicely packed. I know Motul is famous for that. Let's open. Look at this design. I love this design. So you don't need even a funnel. You can just route the engine oil into the engine without the funnel. Even I can show you how, because it is that easy if you do. But still I don't want to spoil the engine oil, so oh nice, this funnel is also hooked up. I just hooked into the clutch wire so that it can give some breathing, it can give some air passages so that it won't spill. Now this is fixed. This is nice. And there is a seal. You cannot simply, seal should be opened. Nice double safety, I can say. I opened it. Let's fill the new Motul engine oil. This is the beauty of designer, manufacturer I think lot well designed. So this 1 liter of engine oil is already gone into the engine now.
आज इसका नंबर लग गया भाई साहब।
हाँ
चलो ठीक है। थोड़ा तलाश लेगा इसमें मेडी गार्ड थोड़ा तलाश मिल जा रहा है
लेके आ जाओ. So this is not hand tightened, this is tightened by the glass or nose plier, because it should not be open, there should not be a leakage.